Introducing the Sanford mixer grinder, SF5905GM. Your perfect kitchen companion for power, precision, and performance. Equipped with a 1.2-liter blending jar and a 0.4-liter chutney jar, both crafted from durable stainless steel, it's built to last. Experience smoother blends with number 304 high-quality stainless steel blades. And take full control with 3-speed settings and a handy incher function for those quick pulses. Powered by a 550-watt heavy-duty motor, it tackles everything from tough spices to smoothies with ease. With anti-skid resistant feet, a compact ABS body, and auto shutoff protection, you get performance, safety, and style in one smart package. Sanford mixer grinder, SF5905GM. Blend smarter, grind stronger, live better.